Oncology is a life-threatening problem. If not addressed immediately, it takes one's life. The cases are increasing, and the need to look after these patients, whether they're affordable or not affordable, is very, very important. With that thing in mind, Oncology India has been initiated, is all about giving quality care at an affordable cost. So as and when the patient walks into our center, there will be very quick investigations. All the treatment will be discussed. Within a matter of 48 to 72 hours, the prescribed treatment will be initiated. Patient gets all the support, and no patient is turned back for lack of funds.
Cancer care is the word from where the story begins. It's a vision of one person. He is Dr. Sarod Pundalika.
He left in 1974. Whatever he had in his pocket, he gave to my elder brother. And he had one gold chain and a ring, which he gave to my mother. And he left with $5 American to US.
The journey of Joliet Oncology Hematology Associates started way back in 1981, wherein he probably got about 500 or 600 square feet of space, and he started doing all by himself essentially, And from then on, it's like from a one physician practice to multi-physician practice. The vision and the passion, comes from the pain he sees for the patient that goes around from one place to the other to get all these services. So from then he took over and he went on to a 70,000 square foot building, and that's where he integrated all the rest of the services in place. In fact, he's the founding members of Cancer Centers of Excellence. And Joliet Oncology has reached to that level, setting up standards. One thing to realize in India is the early detection of cancer, the necessary infrastructure providing the diagnostics for early detection was missing. So that's when basically FDI Care was formed.
In FDI Care's medical cyclotron facility produce something called fluorodeoxyglucose. We follow very high quality standards, and more importantly, we work in completely GMP environment.
We have a gamma camera, which is a SPECT CT, and also a PET CT, which is a state of art. And this helps in imaging the patients for various diseases.
And here's the man called Dr. Pundalika, and his enthusiasm is such that he's starting all over again, taking baby steps to establish the same vision for Indian patients, and it has just begun.